So it depends on the job that we're doing, on the level of sensitivity or confidentiality that we need to keep. I'll start with the medical-based clients. Those clients for us, they're state clients. We follow the HIPAA rules as far as what we can and cannot disclose to third parties. So typically those people are direct clients themselves and the case managers, maybe a family member that's assisting the client. As far as our regular clients with traumas or decomps or even hoarding for that matter, our staff all knows that we're still maintaining confidentiality. We do not talk to third parties outside of the scope of our contract. Or again, the client, maybe a family member. Sometimes there's friends or neighbors that are involved, but the client knows about that and has given us permission. Once in a while, we will be on a job site where a neighbor is curious on what's going on. They'll come over and try and ask the staff questions. Our staff's been directed at that time to direct them to the job supervisor who will talk to that person and more than likely direct them to the client or a family member with additional questions.